Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, it's kind of a weird day in the market. The S&P 500 down just 0.2% today, a little bit of a pullback. It was down more, but kind of rallied in the last hour of the day. But it's kind of weird because Nvidia has been kind of leading the market, Nvidia and friends, and Nvidia was up 1.7% today. Now, Nvidia sells chips to companies that use AI like Microsoft, which was down today, and Apple is down today. Amazon was actually up today. Kind of weird. And Intel, which has become a competitor, a more serious competitor to Nvidia, was up today as well, almost 1%. Kind of weird. Now, the market being down a bit, usually gold goes up, but gold didn't go up. Gold was down actually kind of a lot, pulled back below that 4,000 level, down about 1.8%. Silver down 2.6%. That recently had an even stronger rally than gold did, and both of them are beating the pants off the market. So what else do we have here? Well, we don't have a lot else because there's a lot less news coming out of the government, which most of the things that are releasing news, most of the departments are shut down. Now, the Federal Reserve Bank is self-funded, and so we do get news out of them. And so that's one thing we have to count on. Now, the other thing we have to count on is corporate earnings. That's not government figures. That is figures released by private corporations themselves, publicly traded, non-government, so therefore private corporations. Earnings season, I mentioned already earlier this week, that is starting in full. Next week, it kind of starts with not really a whimper, but not quite a full roar either with the banks. And so earnings is going to be the most important thing. Now, that being said, I am giving a complimentary training this evening all on our earnings trading technique, and I highly encourage you to attend. You can do so by going to markettaker.com/REG, as in register. That's market, as in stock market, taker, as in take what's rightfully yours, 2 T's in a row, markettaker.com/REG. And I'll see you tonight, friends. This is Dan Passarelli. Trade smart.